In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to Airtable and map your form responses into your base. If you want your Paperform submissions to automatically appear inside Airtable, this setup is a great way to save time and keep your data organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the integration settings, how to connect your Airtable account securely, and how to match your Paperform fields to the right columns in Airtable so everything flows correctly. To begin, open your form inside the Paperform editor. Once you're in the editor, go to the After Submission section. This area controls what happens after someone completes your form, so it's the right place to set up automations and external connections. From there, click on Integrations and Webhooks. This will open the list of available services that Paperform can connect to. In the Direct Integrations list, select Airtable. Paperform offers a dedicated Airtable integration, which makes the process much more straightforward than building a custom connection. Once you choose Airtable, you'll be prompted to connect your account. At this stage, sign in using your Airtable API token or OAuth credentials, depending on the connection method available in your workspace. Make sure you use valid credentials and authorize the connection carefully. Since this step gives Paperform permission to send data into Airtable, it's important to confirm you're connecting the correct Airtable account and the correct workspace where your base is stored. For security, avoid sharing tokens or credentials in documentation, recordings, or screenshots. After the connection is established, the next part is mapping your Paperform questions to the corresponding columns in your Airtable base. This means choosing which answer from your form should go into each Airtable field. For example, if you have a name question in Paperform, you'll want to map it to the name column in Airtable. If you collect email addresses, map that response to your email column and continue this process for the rest of your fields. Take your time during mapping because this is what ensures your data lands in the right place. It also helps to make sure your Airtable column types match the kind of data you're collecting in Paperform. Once everything is mapped correctly, your integration is essentially ready to pass submissions into Airtable in a clean, structured way. And that's it! You've now connected Paperform to Airtable and configured the field mapping so your submissions can be sent directly into your base automatically.